Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix DoorDash not working. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection because sometimes a poor internet connection is the main reason why DoorDash is not working. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If the problem isn't solved, open the App Store on your mobile device and go to the search section. Inside it, search for DoorDash and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. If there is any update available, make sure to download it and check if the problem is resolved. If the problem persists, open your device settings and access the app's feature. Inside it, locate the DoorDash app. Now, tap on the storage option and then select Clear Cache from the bottom of your screen, and your problem should be solved. So that's basically how you can fix DoorDash not working. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.